In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do self-resisted isometric dorsiflexion of the ankle, and I'm going to be lying down in this example. So before we get into the exercise, I just want to cover what dorsiflexion of the ankle is and then how we're going to self-resist or create that isometric contraction, which is a contraction without muscle fiber length change. So if I bring my left foot into this position, right, if I come up with the ankle, I'm creating dorsiflexion. So if I'm bringing my ankle towards my body, that is dorsiflexion. Now, if, for example, I was going to try and come into dorsiflexion, but I was going to resist it with my hand, that is resisted dorsiflexion. I'm trying to point my ankle up towards my head, but I can't do it because my hand is resisting that motion. That creates an isometric contraction because you can see my ankle's not moving. I'm trying to come up into dorsiflexion, but I can still feel my ankle working and also the muscles at the front of my shin. Now, how to do this in a laying down position is you come onto your back. You can have a pillow if you want to for comfort. And then from here, I'm going to bring one foot over the other. So in this example, I'm going to bring my left foot into dorsiflexion. You can see my right foot's over the top, which is going to be resisting it. So now I'm trying to create dorsiflexion. I'm trying really hard with my left ankle to point up towards my body. My right foot is stopping that from happening. And now I'm creating an isometric self-resisted contraction. And what you can decide to do is do it for an amount of seconds, or you can decide to do it, for example, for 5 seconds and then do 5 or 6 reps. It depends on why you're doing it. If it's for ankle rehab, you might have a set plan of how to do it, or alternatively, you might just be doing it for general ankle strength. So dependent on what you want to get out of it, make sure that you do exactly the same on one side and then repeat on the other side and do exactly the same as what you did.